So Mysore masala dosa is actually losing its roots.
ಅದು ಪಟ ಚಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 3500
Oh.
ನೆಂಟಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ
Okay, tinni ಅನ್ನೋ
ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
So this is the place that you see, the hobby place, where you get a lot of artistic works done here. I'm at a unique place in Mysore. So right now I'm very close to Deepu Hotel. Deepu Hotel is actually famous for its masala dosa, or the Mysore masala dosa, they call it. So Mysore masala dosa is actually losing its roots, but Deepu has got it right, I would say. But you can go ahead and try Deepu dosa whenever you're free on Sundays, or probably be a bit early, is what I can tell. If you see at the background here, you have loads of crowd just waiting for the dosa and idli. So let's go ahead and check it out. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕೆಂಪು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆಂಪು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬಂದರೆ ಕೆಂಪು ಚಟ್ನಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಅವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ
ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಮಸಾಲೆ ದೋಸೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನೇ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿದೆ. ಇವ್ರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ದೋಸೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ಮೈಲಾರಿ ದೋಸೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿಂತಾರೆ. ಹನುಮಂತಪ್ಪ ಹಾಂ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹಾಂ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ದೋಸೆ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರಾ ನೀವು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಇವತ್ತೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ಇವಾಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೋಸೆದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು, ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಮೈಲಾರಿ ದೋಸೆನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರೋದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ.
ಹಾಂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಹಂಗೆ
ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಆದರೆ ಜಾಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್.
ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ 2 ದಿವಸ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
ಹಾಂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸ ಆಯಿತು, ವರ್ಷಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕಾಲ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಮೈಸೂರು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಓ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಟೌನ್ ಅನ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇದೆ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿತಾನೆ ಐತೆ.
ಈ ಲೇಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಈ ಲೇಕ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವಾಗನ? ಲೇಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಕಾಗಿರೋದು, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಲೇಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜಾಗಗಳಿದೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸುತ್ತ, ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅಂಡರ್ ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮೈಸೂರು. ಈ ಕುಕ್ರೆಹಳ್ಳಿ ಲೇಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ, ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೇಕ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ. ಇದೂ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಬಕ್ಕಿ ಇಡ್ಲಿನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಂ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು 4 ಜನ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ
ನೆಂಟಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ತಿನ್ನಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ.
ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
So we finished vlogging at this place, which is Deepu's Hotel right now, and we actually look at the dosas and all of that. I couldn't eat much because I've already had the breakfast at Kukkrehalli Tiffins, and that's the reason I wanted to show you all how Deepu Hotel looks. So I'm checking out from hostel Mysore, and we'll have to explore a lot of other places in Mysore, in and around Mysore, and then head towards Bangalore from there. That's the plan for today. So let's do that. Folks, I've been to a different place today. So it's called as the hobby place. So kids, that is the kids who are about 5 years old until people who are about 50 to 60 years old. People come here to learn different arts. Probably they come here to learn pottery, and there is something to do with clay and all of that, and also about sketches, a lot of other things. So that's why I'm here. So I'm loving this place actually. So this is the place that you see, the hobby place, where you get a lot of artistic works done here, and you get to learn a lot as well. Where if you see, it's super colorful, and I'm going inside to check how this place looks. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು?
ಅದು ಪಟ್ಟಚಿತ್ರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 3500 ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದು ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು?
ಪಟ್ಟಚಿತ್ರ.
ಪಟ್ಟಚಿತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ? ಒರಿಸ್ಸಾ ಪೇಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Okay. Go ahead with some dry fruits. So let's go ahead with some badam. So we'll take 1 spoon of it. Okay. Or yeah, I'm okay with 1 or 2 spoons because protein is high. Yeah. Then let's go ahead with some. This one. I forgot. So this is the granula, right? Yes. So granula is actually good for your health. That's why you have. And people who have started this, I think they have a loads of passion towards food and art. I'm at a unique place in Mysore, so you'll have to come here for this. And this is the cashew. So let's also top it up. And you can also choose anything like fresh fruit as well. You can just look at how fresh it is. Look at the jam. Yeah. Very little, because it'll become too much. So too much of sugars, even naturally, I think it's not good for you. And what would you suggest me?
Kit Kat bags.
Oh, okay. I think that's too much of sugars. I think. Yes. I think I'll go ahead with the chocolate balls. Yes. Apart from that, I don't want to choose anything else because the rest can have colors. So I'm not going ahead with that. Oh, you have brownie also. Wow, okay. So you have loads of toppings like this. So you can choose brownie also. Brownie has loads of plum and stuff like that. Oh, this is like fantastic, man. Phenomenal. And this is veg. It's not non-veg. I mean, no egg in it. And what's this? Red cherry.
Yes.
I'll just take half a spoon of it just to taste it, okay? Raspberry, I've tasted this. And again, just for a pinch of it. Okay. What is this?
Nutty coconut pieces.
Okay, that's my favorite then. Okay. This looks very colorful, and I'll take probably one or two cherries. It's actually worth it. I mean, for that price that you pay, I'm sure I must be paying about 250 looking at the weight, but it's worth it. And I'll take the canned chili, as in the lychee as well. That's it. I'm done. So I'd like to taste everything right now. Let's place it over here. 350. 42, right? Yes. Very different cafe over here. It's kind of a ice cream bar where we are at. So it's called as My Froyoland. And what's your name? I'm sorry. Dikshit. Okay. So we have Dikshit here at this art cafe. I think you'll have to pay 1 rupee 25 paise for this one. I think it's worth it. So I have just come here with no expectations, and yeah, I didn't plan to come here. but I really love the way that they are actually having all those toppings and all of that. So it goes ahead with the weight. So 449 out of weight. Okay, cool. So I've got most of the things here, at least 10 items on this, and 2 types of ice creams. So let's go ahead. So actually it's worth it. You'll have to come here for not just for ice cream, but you have loads of artists, and you have more than at least 4 artists here with different skill set, and you also have calligraphy classes. And you can, if you're staying in Mysore, I think it's one of the best places to come spend some time every day, I would say. But on your weekends, you can come here, not just for the cafe experience, but also for the colorful arts that you see around. The hobby place is one of the best unique places in Mysore. So out of top 10 unique places in Mysore, one of them is the hobby place. It's been about 12 years since they started, is what the owner just shared. And you also have a counter for an ice cream where you can try different ice creams and you can experience that. And they have actually priced at a very economical pricing, I would say, because it's just 1 rupee 25 paise per gram. And you can choose your flavors, you can choose your toppings. So you can choose any number of toppings, there's no limit for it. And I think it's worth it. And you don't have any sort of artificial colors and stuff in the ice cream. So that's one of the unique selling points here. And they also serve kombucha. I think I love the hibiscus kombucha, but they don't serve that, but they have the apple flavored. And yeah, the ambience is amazing. So folks, we finished going to the hobby place in Mysore. So it's one of the best places in Mysore, a unique place. Right now I'll be going ahead and trying some fish meals in Mysore, and I'm heading towards there is a place called Kudla Fishland, like in Mysore itself. So I might have to go there because they have a very good offer. You get the fish and you get the complete fish meal with fish tawa fry for 300. That's the offer which is going on. I want to go ahead and try that right away. Okay, so keep you posted. Let's see if they have that offer right now. I'm quickly heading towards there. Okay.